Hello, and welcome to Increase Microsoft and Google Suite Knowledge Training, Module 5, Lesson 2. This is offered by BeWell project, which is aiming to shape the health and care workforce of tomorrow. The BeWell project addresses the need to prepare the health and care workforce for green and digital solutions introduced in the European health and care system to ensure that they can respond to current and future challenges. And today we will discuss about collaborative working between healthcare staff using Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. My name is Monica Brânzac. I work within the Department of Public Health at Babeș-Bolyai University, and we are one of the BeWell project partners. The learning objectives and outcomes targeted by this lesson is to help you and to empower you to upload and to create the file, to share and organize them, and to limit how that file is being shared. And the EQF level of this training is 5. As part of the second part, we will go a bit deeper with Microsoft OneDrive. We will do a comparison between the two of them. We will have a practical example and a moment of reflection, and then a quick recap. Now, let's get started. Now, let's discuss about Microsoft OneDrive. You can quickly open and save OneDrive documents right from your Office app, like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If you also have the OneDrive desktop installed in your PC, OneDrive and Office work together to sync documents and let you work with other people and on shared documents at the same time. OneDrive can be used to store, share, and collaborate on protected health information. To save Office documents to OneDrive, you can go to Google Drive once again and search for Microsoft OneDrive. And once again, the first option is the one that it is right for you. For the sake of this training, I have already signed in, and this is the landing page. And from here, you can upload or create, similarly to Google Drive, any document that you need or any folders that you need. But additionally to this, you can also save everything that you are doing if you are logged in with your Microsoft OneDrive account into your Microsoft Office applications such as Word, and they will automatically sync, and you will never lose the documents that you have been working on. By clicking Add New, you can either create a new folder in which you can either upload or create all the files that you need, or you can separately upload files or even folders. Or of course, you can create a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on, or you can add a link. If you already have OneDrive in your computer, you can easily drag and drop everything that you want to add here. Please try and open Microsoft OneDrive and store two important documents that you have in your computer by following the previous explanation that I just gave. Isn't it easy to structure and secure your important medical documents? Now let's see how we can share an organized file. First of all, let's create a new folder. By Add New Folder, and let's name it BeWell. I will select the yellow color. Now let's go to My Files, and we see that we have the file here. And now let's see how we can share it. If you click the button Share right here, a pop-up will appear similar to the one in Google Drive, where you can either type in the email address of the person or you can copy the link. If you click the eye here, you can select the level of access that the person can have. So they can either just see the document or they can also make changes to the document. By clicking this sentence here, you can select how the file is shared. So do you want the document to be public to everyone, or do you want only the people within your organization to see it, in your hospital? Or do you want the people that had previous access to be able to see the document, or do you want only the specific person that you select to make changes or to see it? And additional feature is that people can be blocked from downloading the document or the folder. Let's do some practical work. I will guide you through it, and then you will do it. So for the practical example, open OneDrive, then create a folder with the patient's name, Then upload the files containing the patient data, so medical letters, blood test results, CT, MRI results, prescriptions, and other documents that you might find relevant. You can also upload here a Microsoft form with the patient's self-assessed health status as the one that we have created in the Microsoft Forms module. Then, please right-click on the folder with the patient name and then click Share. Add the emails of the patient and of the colleagues for whom you want to allow access to the patient's file. After you share the patient folder with them, the patient and your colleagues will be able to open and download the files in the folder, but also to upload new files in the folder. How difficult was that for you? Share your thoughts with us. Now let's do a quick comparison between Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. As you can see here, Microsoft OneDrive, it charges comparatively more for additional storage, which means that in the end it will be more costly. While Google Drive, it charges less for additional storage, which means that in the end it will be cheaper. Now, OneDrive, it allows setting expiry dates on links, while Google Drive does not allow that. OneDrive is used mostly in professional works, while Drive is used for both professional and personal work and purposes. Both of them are quite similar, so which one do you prefer? As an additional homework, please save all the documents that you have created in the other training modules, like the form, the spreadsheet, the document, and the presentation in the correspondent Drive application. For example, everything that you've done in Microsoft, save it in Microsoft OneDrive, and everything that you've done in Google, save it in Google Drive. Then share the files with one of your colleagues. So both the files in Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive, share them separately with either the same or a different colleague. Now let's do a quick recap. We are now at the end of the training module on Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. During these 2 lessons, we've uploaded and created files, we've shared and organized them, and we limited how those are shared. Now, be prepared for the quiz. Thank you and have a lovely day.